pinansin nyo Vix, di ba? Pinansin nyo kanina, yung camera, parang iba, di ba?
Correct, very cinematic. So, for my first question, since you mention kanina, bigatin yung mga stars dito, parang seeing you sa isang frame, si Aiko, yung pag-akyat niya, tapos nandun si Tirso, John Arcilia, may Mylene Dizon pa. Sa ganitong phase ba ng career mo, parang may kaba ka pa rin ba?
Oh yeah, I wanted to address that. I'm sorry. That was asked. Dinadaga ako sa mga eksena, syempre. Oo naman. Alam mo, that's one thing good about our craft. As long as you feel that you are always a student, there's always something that you can learn from what you are doing. And that's what I feel with doing this show. Yung takot ko, yung kaba ko, yung nervous ko doing a scene, I pray. Yung isang lumalabas yung kabog ng dibdib ko sa dibdib ko, and I have fun doing it. After the scene, I'm like, sarap. Diba? Yun naman yun eh. That's the exciting part of it. When you act out of passion, tapos hindi mo alam magiging outcome, and then seeing it kanina, I had to control myself many times because sabi ko, na-overwhelm ako, diba? So yun. Kinakabahan pa rin po talaga ako. Lagi. Lalo pag yung mahiling ka eksena mo, walang tapo na reaction. Galing.
Kanina parang ini-establish pa lang yung mabait mo na character. So parang mas lalo tuloy kami nag-crave doon sa masama na side ni Piolo.
Oo nga eh.
Ni Rafael, no? So parang paano naging challenging sa'yo yung mga eksena, lalo na yung pag-switch mo from bida kontrabida?
Yeah, wala pang switch na mangyayari dyan. Yung nakita nyo yung last frame mo na I said, mamamatay tao na ba pamilya natin. That's the pivotal point for his character. And I had to, wow. When we were doing the scene, I had to stop many times because I was getting so overwhelmed by emotion. So yun, it doesn't happen overnight. We want to make him as real as possible para hindi siya caricature pagkadaanan niya lahat ng sakit at ginhawa sa buhay.
Since ito ay pamilya, meron aasahan ba namin sa mga susunod pang mga episode? May mga papasok na mga bagong character?
Marami. Daming budget na ibig, hindi joke lang. Hindi, marami. Oo, huwag natin ibigay lahat.
Nakita na namin eh.
Yan, Joko. Yan, Jezibela.
Oh.
Diba? Ang dami pa papasok. Kaya nakakataba ng puso for ABS to really prioritize and give credit to the cast and the story na alam mong wow naman talaga, you know. So, yun lang po talaga yung ipagmamalaki natin na gumagawa tayo ng isang bagay na hindi natin kina-compromise yung storya at saka yung casting.
And last question na lang, for the two na lead actors, si Gray at saka si Kyle, going back doon sa, nung ikaw nasa stage nila, ano yung nakikita mo sa kanila?
Nakita ko yung kanila
ng ABS-CBN.
Nakita ko yung sarili ko sa kanila.
3 decades ago.
Sakit ba? Totoo kasi, hindi naman. 329, tulad naman.
Parang 2.5.
Actually, 3. Oh no. Yan.
Alam ko yung
Ay!
ano.
There were scenes na biglang papasok si Kyle. Parang sabi ko, ginawa ko yun dati. There are scenes papasok si Greg. Ganyan din yun. Alam mo, wow! Nakakatawa silang panoorin. And there's so much in store for these guys. Their commitment to their craft. I think it would not have worked if they were not committed enough. Or if they were not open enough to say na we have so much to learn. Lahat ng reaction na binigay nila halfway through, sila na yun. Wala nang instruction ng director. So you can see that really they can deliver at marami pang mapupuntahan yung dalawa.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks, Chad.
Grabe energy ni Lolo, no? Ni Piolo, no?
Wait, the show was completely shot in Baguio?
Most of it, like probably more than half. We're not done yet, pero we're just going back to Baguio this weekend for the 3rd cycle. So we've been there. Yeah.
Okay. At tama yung sinabi mo, Kuya EJ, kasi kanina habang sumasagot si Piolo ng mga tanong, pinag-obserbahan ko lang
Iba,
siya.
no?
Iba yung spirit niya now. Kasi if I can share lang, 2 years ago when I was interviewing you for Flower of Evil, parang nasa mata mo, parang uncertain ka pa na parang patutuloy-tuloy ba to? Will I really do a comeback? As they call it, parang ididire-diretso ko na ba tong pagbabalik ko sa TV or movies? Pero iba yung
I said, that's it, right? I was quitting soap, no?
Yeah.
Wala eh.
Sucker tayo for good stories, saka mukhang pera. I mean, gusto ko lang nagtatrabaho, gusto ko lang may ginagawa. Tsaka paano ko makakahindi?
Pamilya sagrado ka nga talaga. Sa character ka.
Iba.
Sabi kasi ni Tito Dayo, nung pinay siya sa akin, so Tito Dayo, ilang episodes to? 100. Sige, let's go!
Wow.
Let's go!
Okay, next question.
Yes, we have Our next set of questions will come from Richard Paglikawan of Lionheart.
The Lionheart guy! Oh, the Lionheart.
I follow you guys.
Papa P, good afternoon. So, yung question ko kasi, parang naging trend sa, kahit sa Hollywood, na parang yung mga meeting idols, gumagawa ng mga roles na mga kontrabida, pero later on parang nagiging fear ng mga viewers na parang sila yung ina-idolize, na kahit negative yung kanilang portrayal ng character. So, ikaw ba, Papa P, as an actor, may reservations ka ba dun sa paggawa ng role na to? And may fear ka ba na i-idolize din yung character mo? E paano mo i-handle yun?
Well, thanks for that. Actually, it's the reason why I said the same answer a while ago. Wherein there has to be redemption for the character. He can't be bad all the way. That's why I'm excited for the journey of my character, because he starts out bad, but through the journey of the story, he's gonna turn into good. So it has to have redemption. If there's no hope, then let's do not do it. That's my mantra in life. If I'm not gonna learn anything from your film, from your story, which would make me a better person, a good person to say the least, I won't do it. I won't even watch it. I won't recommend it. That's why all my films, mamatay man ako in the end, there's redemption for the story or the character. But it has to end on a good note. Thank you.
Thanks, Papa P. Ito na lang, ikaw ba personally, may mga gusto kang, or may mga nakita kami na ikaw mismo yung nag-suggest na gawin?
Mabait naman yung mga director ko, tsaka yung mga writers na, you know, when we have suggestion or pag nagko-collab kami, how are you gonna take it? Si Direk Lau, bibigyan ko ganito, tapos sabi niya, Peach, parang mali, parang gawin mo to. Oo nga, okay, Direk. Tapos si Direk Ando, sabi niya, okay, di ba tama? Pag hindi ko nagagawa, sabi niya, okay, gawin mo ulit. So, as long as you're good with collaboration, you're open, I mean, we suggest it, they also suggest, and there's always room and space for talks and, you know, as to how we can attack a scene. So I think I've reached that point in my career wherein my director would talk to me and discuss with me how they want to do it, because of course, ang dami na nagawa ko. You want to be able to diversify and make sure na hindi pare-pareho. So I always listen to my director and whatever I can suggest, pag-uusapan.
Thanks, Papa P.
Thank you.
Iba talaga to.
Thanks, Richard.
Jay, may babasahin ako.
May mga tanong ako dapat kay PJ, kaso lang.
I understand she's watching right now. Say, the head of integrated marketing is Cookie Bagtulog.
Cookie Boy!
Sabi niya, just finished previewing Pamilya Sagrado. Sobrang gripping at ang galing ng storytelling. Every character, especially Piolo. Very intriguing and interesting. I can't wait to watch the other episodes and see how the story unfolds. That's Miss Cookie, the head of entertainment, integrated marketing. Galing. Thank you, Miss Cookie.
Miss you.
Alright, and MJ tuloy, Aaron.
Our next set of questions will come from Nas Tavares.
Si Nas ba yung maganda ba? Or
Pelikula Mayor.
Cinema Bravo?
Pelikula Mayor.
Pelikula